Good morning. This is Mrs. Merrill, and I'm here this morning to give you some instructions for what you need to do for our virtual day, March the 9th. Please take a look at your screen. You will see the written instructions. There are 4 things that you need to work on in algebra this morning. Number 1, I want you to complete the focus or bell ringer on our Google Classroom. Go to the focus section. Please complete it on paper and have it ready to submit to me the following day. That would be on Thursday. Number 2, view the attached video. There's a video attached to the Google Classroom. The video, I want you to look at the first 2 sections. The video will contain more sections than that, but you need to look at the video on factoring with the GCF and then factor by grouping. After you watch the video, I want you to complete the factor by GCF and factor by grouping review worksheet, which I will give you in class on Tuesday. And then, or I will have given you in class, I should say, on Tuesday. And then it's also attached to our Google Classroom. And then fourth of all, I want you to do the maze that I will given you in class on Tuesday. But if you were not in class on Tuesday, then you can pick it up on the Google Classroom. It is attached. It is a GCF maze. So you're going to complete 4 things for me today, or for March the 9th. You're going to complete the focus. You're going to watch the video. Then you're going to complete 2 sheets, factor by grouping and the grouping with factor by grouping and factor by GCF, I should say. And then you're going to do the GCF maze. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you then on Thursday. Bye-bye.